Compression and leak down test both completed and passed before the build.
So get a metal valve cover, gas
cover, yeah.
valve cover.
Yeah, everybody changed that because like this one sometimes crack and it's not as strong.
Okay.
The heat like always like damage that.
Okay.
That's why they put aluminum.
Got it.
All clear. No obstruction in the intake system were found and a boost leak test was performed.
I don't know if I check the time because I see those bolts, see how rusty they are.
So if one breaks, how long would it take to fix that?
I had to do it out. I had to cover everything and then do it out. But I check it out, yeah. I try.
You don't have new bolts?
No, like this is special for that. See this one? It's broke already. They got silicone in.
What's that?
They broke the ball and you just put a silicone there just to cover, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like just to show you like I don't broke that, you know.
Yeah, is that causing a leak?
No, because no oil here. See nothing. They just put a silicone, I think, like to seal that hole. But it's not leaking. It's nothing. When it's leaking, you see oil over here.
Okay.
Everywhere here, yeah.
But it's not leaking.
No leaks, no. I just want to show you because like I had to remove it on back cover, but that was broken already. So.
Do you have a metal one here?
No.
Want to use your phone?
Yeah.
Looks really good.
Look good?
Yeah, I mean, because normally if it starts to like kind of clog up, like normally it doesn't just get packed, it'll start to like overheat and like melt kind of.
Yeah.
And you just see like an area, like you see it's all like uniform, you see an area that's just like squished, almost like melting.
So it's not clogged. Huh. I think it's just a restrictive exhaust system for the turbo.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, any cat is going to put some kind of restriction in there, you know?
The high IAT and MAT seen during tuning were likely caused by the Invidia one-piece high-flow cat downpipe. The catalytic converter, stock O2 housing, and added heat from the larger turbo contributed to the elevated temps. This downpipe will be replaced with an AMS Wide Mouth or ETS Open Dump in the future to help lower IAT and MAT.